Hello, everybody. Hope you're having a great day. This is Eric Spotswood, Regional Manager of Prosperity Home Mortgage. So I know inventory is really tight, and it's been really tight for a long time, and that can be frustrating for a lot of people. I have a lot of people feeling like, maybe this isn't my time, maybe I need to back out of the market. But I wanted to talk to you about a couple of things that really are benefits for you in the market today because the inventory is limited. So what are some opportunities that you're presented that could really help you out? Well, one of the things you can do is really get to know the area a little bit better. One of the things that's tough is people move in and they go, I really didn't know about this. In hindsight, maybe I would have moved into this area or that area. So take the time to really get to know it. When I say really get to know it, see what it's like on the weekends, during the weekdays, ride your bike through the area if you have the opportunity to do that. Just really get to know the restaurants in the area, the schooling a little bit better. Sometimes when you're in a market that's super hot and everything is getting snatched up, you might rush into a decision really quick that in hindsight you maybe wish you hadn't made. So if you have the opportunity, take the time and get to know it a little bit better. You'll feel a lot more secure in your decision. Another thing that you can do is make sure that you're saving up for a better down payment. So when it comes to the loan, sometimes larger down payments open up different product offerings. Sometimes it offers up better rates. Putting a certain amount down is going to help you avoid mortgage insurance. It's really going to help you save a lot of money in the long run. So the longer that you have to wait, make sure that you're stacking up your chips and that you're putting yourself in the best position possible to make a good down payment and have the best loan you can. Another thing you could do is work on your credit score. The higher your credit score, the better your rate's going to be. And again, access to better programs. So the more time that you have, the more of an opportunity you have to really move the needle on this. One of the small things that you can do to really impact your credit score, about a third of your score is based on the balances against your debt that is out there. So you have to make sure that your credit cards are paid down, that you're putting yourself in a great position. Now, talk to a loan officer about this because it doesn't always make sense to pay them down. If your credit's in a great spot and it makes more sense to keep that money on hand for a down payment, it's not always the right call. So have a conversation first, but it does give you an opportunity to drive your score to make sure you're getting the absolute premium rates. And then lastly, it can make sure that you can get your loan process started early. So a lot of times, again, when you're in a rush, you start the loan process at the same time you're starting your contract process. Well, if you have the time to do it, you can start the process early. You can begin the underwriting part of the process. You can go through all the documentation and the paperwork that people love when they're working with us lenders. But you can get all that out of the way so that when you do find a home, you can focus on the fun stuff. How do you want to paint the walls, organize the furniture? How do you want to make it you? So if you have the extra time, you can really use it to your advantage. So I hope you can use one of these tips up above and you can make a tough market into one that really turns into a benefit for you. Hope everybody has an outstanding day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.